Hello friend, today we shall discuss about topic the team building strategies. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you are a project manager and you have to deal with multiple teams. Friend, team building strategies are techniques and activities designed to improve teamwork, communication and collaboration among team members. The goal is to create a cohesive and a productive team that works well together. We all know friend that if you have a good team, so obviously it will result good. If the team is not good, or maybe there are grouping in the team, so obviously it will become a failure for a project. So first we will talk about icebreaker activities. Friend, icebreakers help team members get to know each other better, especially when a new team is formed. Whenever a new team is formed, obviously people don't know about each other, and they don't know the personality of each other, so definitely they need a icebreaker means friend, they try to know each other, that how they behave, what is their personality. So for example, we can have a fun activity which can we say two truths and a lie. Each team member share three statements about themselves, two truths and one lie, and the other try to guess which statement is the lie. This fun activity helps team members learn interesting facts about each other and fosters a relaxed atmosphere. Then, team building workshops. Workshops are structured sessions focused on developing specific skills such as communication, problem solving, or conflict resolution. For example, communication workshop. A team participates in a workshop where they engage in activities that improve their listening and speaking skills. They might practice active listening exercises, role playing scenarios, and group discussions to enhance their communication. Collaborative projects means assigning a project that requires teamwork can help team members collaborate and understand each other's strength and weakness. Here remember friend one thing, that collaboration among the team member is the most important, or you can say the key factor of a success of a project. For example, often office redesign project. So the team is tasked with redesigning the office layout to improve workflow and comfort. They must work together to gather input, brainstorm ideas, and develop a plan. This collaborative effort helps them practice working together towards a common goal. Team outings. Organizing social outings or events outside the workplace helps team members bond in a relaxed environment. For example, team picnic. The team goes on a picnic in a local park. They play games, share food, and spend time chatting. This informal setting allows team members to connect on a personal level, building trust. Next is the problem solving activities. Engaging in problem solving tasks encourage team work and creative thinking. For example, escape room challenge. The team is placed in an escape room and must work together to solve puzzles and find clues to escape within a set time. This activity promotes collaboration, quick thinking, and effective communication under pressure. Next is the feedback session. Regular feedback sessions allow team members to discuss what's working well and what needs improvement. For example, monthly feedback meeting. The team meets monthly to discuss their progress, challenges, and any issues. Each member has the opportunity to give and receive constructive feedback. This helps address problems early and promotes continuous improvement here as well. Another is the trust building exercise, means activities that build trust are essential for creating a cohesive team. Obviously friend, whenever we are working together as a team, so the trust among the team member is very important. So for example, trust fall. In this exercise, one team member falls backward, trusting that their teammates will catch them. While simple, this activity helps build trust and confidence among team members. Then role rotation. Rotating roles within the team can help members understand each other's responsibilities and foster empathy. For example, role swap day. For a day, team members switch roles with each other. For example, a developer might take on the role of a project manager and a designer might handle customer support. This helps them appreciate the challenges their colleagues face and improves overall team cohesion. Celebrate success. Recognizing and celebrating achievements boost morale and motivation. For example, monthly recognition awards. Each month, the team holds a brief ceremony to recognize outstanding contributions. Awards can be given for things like creativity, teamwork, or hitting project milestones. Celebrating successes reinforces positive behavior and motivates the team to keep striving for excellence as well. Then next is a team charter. Creating a team charter helps define the team's mission, value, and goals. For example, team charter workshop, the team collaborates to draft a charter that outlines their purpose, core values, and objectives. They also agree on norms and rules for working together. This document serves as a guiding framework for the team activities and decisions. So, by implementing these team building strategies, team can develop a stronger relationships, improve their collaboration, and enhance their overall performance.